remove the radio and get into the heat control, this plate pulls off. It's quite stiff. It's got, you're best off starting at the bottom and getting these little metal brackets out first, and then pull up through. You then got 4 screws for a normal star screwdriver, and 2 2.5 2.5 star drives to take the heater control out. This is a pain to get out. You need to take all the electrics off and wiggle it around to get it out. The radio comes out fairly easy. What I've done is drilled a hole through the back of the plate that moves the control cable, to put a cable tie through to hold this wire here down on top of there to stop it bowing up and bending and coming off every time. So I think this has actually worked. Hope it helps somebody else.